Good morning, students. Today we will learn changing of active into passive voice. Some sentence contains two objects. We first of all identify the object and then direct object and indirect object. और हम डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को भी सब्जेक्ट बना करके पैसिव में चेंज कर सकते हैं और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को भी सब्जेक्ट बना करके पैसिव में चेंज कर सकते हैं। कुछ सेंटेंस की बनावट होती है सब्जेक्ट के बाद वर्ब, उसके बाद दो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, एक डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, एक इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है। हमें पहचानना होगा इसमें कौन डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है कौन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है। दोनों को हम लेकर के सब्जेक्ट बना करके हम पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर सकते हैं। वी विल सी हियर Ashok gives me a pen. Here Ashok subject and a verb and a object, and it is also an object. This sentence contains two objects, me and a pen. It is person, me, so it is indirect object. Indirect object, and think a pen is direct object. We can change into passive voice with the subject coming from me or a pen, direct object or indirect object. First indirect object, me, change here, I am given a pen by Ashok. This is indirect object, and a pen is direct object. We also make a pen is given me by Ashok. And we will see here that me is indirect object, also can be subject, and a pen is a direct object, is also can be subject. Now another example. Ramesh has bought sweets for me. Here sweets the object and for me or object. Sweets have been bought for me by Ramesh. Now we clarify this for another example. Rekha will give a pen to Rani. This sentence can be changed in two ways. A pen will be given Rani by Rekha. Rani will be given a pen by Rekha. Clear? Now we learn interrogative sentence. Changing to active passive in interrogative sentence. And we know that question we divide into two categories. Two part, yes no question and WH word question. And here we will learn both of them. First we start yes no question that begins do, does, did, has, have, is, are, will, can, could. So we see here yes no question and WH word question. First of all we see yes no question that starts from do, does, has. For example, Does he buy a pen? It lasts at question mark. We use here, this sentence is in simple present tense, so we use is, am or are according to the subject. Subject here a pen, it is singular third person, so we use here is. Sentence will be passive voice. Is a pen bought by him? Next. Question is, have you learned English? In passive voice, the sentence will be, has English been learned by you? Now we will see the WH word question. When did you buy this pen? This sentence is WH word question because it starts WH word. The question that we start, when, why, how, where, what, so on. The question that starts with when, why, how, where, what, it is called WH question. And who. We cannot change when, why, where. It is simply we write when, did is change it, this sentence into simple past tense, so we use was or were. This pen is singular, so we use was. Where was this pen? When was this pen bought by you? Next question. Question is, why has Ramesh beaten you? It is also WH word question. So we change. Why have You why have you been beaten by Ramesh? And last, in interrogative sentence, I give you a sentence to clarify when is he selling fruits? And question mark. This sentence is in present continuous tense, so we use here is or rn according to subject, and we add a special word for this sentence, being, and verb thought plus by agent. Now we will learn some other special rules for changing in next class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.